Hi everyone, it's Jodi Reinert. I'm excited to show you what I've come up with for the Boho Vibes bundle of the month. We're using the Sunshine Vibes stamp set, and I'm only using two little pieces out of here, the little burst image and then the word hello. So this card might be one of the most creative quick cards I've ever done. It is super easy to do, so duplicatable. So that burst image I just did on the background with Versamark ink, so it gives you that watermark look. Then I wanted to show you, so this is one of the pieces of 6x6 designer paper that comes in the Boho Vibes designer paper pack, and then I cut a couple of pieces into 1.5 inch strips. You have all the measurements in the project sheet here, but what I did is I just took a couple of them and then put that as the next layer on the card, so they kind of fit together in that whole boho vibe of this designer paper. So that's super easy. So we've got Cloud Cover, Secret Sea, Cajun Craze, and then those two strips of the Boho Vibes designer paper. Now, what I want to take a moment and show you is just this simple focal point here with the greeting, and then also pointed out muted palette dots. Those are the embellishments that I used, and I chose the cloud cover ones to just add a few to the card. So let's focus on here. So I've just got a scrap of basic white cardstock, and then in the dies, there's all these dies that come in the bundle. I took just this little one here, and what I did is ran it through 2 times with the Secret Sea cardstock. And what I'm doing is just gluing these onto the white cardstock, and it looks as though it's a frame. It looks as though it's one piece at first glance, but I just really easily made it that frame with these 2 separate pieces. Now there's different ways that you could apply this glue. I'm just going for the simplest here, and that's just a teeny tiny dot every so often on the back. Very, very easy to do. Again, this is just scrap, doesn't matter where I put it. Just press it down, it's already secure. Same thing on this one, just a dot does a lot, just like in kindergarten. Tiny little dots all around. And then I kind of like to just set it like that on the glue, pick it up, just a quick little tip. This one I'll butt up right next to that and get it in position. Press that down and get it secure. And then what I'll do is take the Secret Sea ink and the hello stamp, and we'll just go ahead and stamp that down right in the center. So just say hello. And then all I need to do is take my paper snips and trim around the outside. So I'm not gonna have you watch me do all this, but you get the idea. So I would just trim around that whole piece, cut all the way around, and then you've got this piece here that's popped up with Stampin' Dimensionals. So that's all I did. It's as easy as that to make this quick and creative card. There are some gorgeous dies and stamps in this bundle, and you will see lots of other projects that get more involved with lots of the pieces, but I just wanted to show you this really simple card, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.